Let me ask you another question. A lot of people are cleaning for Pesach under extreme duress. It's the first time they're ever making Pesach. They usually go to their parents. I spoke to a fellow just before. He said his wife is falling apart. They were supposed to go to their parents. She never made Pesach before, besides the fact that they don't have the kalim, they don't have the money, etc. And there's no help, obviously, because nobody wants to bring help into the house because they're in self-quarantine.
Sure.
And people don't live in the one-bedroom houses or the two-bedroom houses like they used to live in Europe. What's the minimum cleaning you have to do for Pesach? I know we're used to, the rooms are shut off already months in advance, and the Weiber kratzen the vent, and Shiva tell the women, give us a psak, what's the minimum you have to do? Maybe you're not feeling well, maybe your husband's not feeling well, maybe the kids are crawling on your head, you're going mishuga. What's halacha, and what is minig, chumrah, hidur? What's the minimum you have to do?
All the minhagim are beautiful. It's all mishum chumer, the chometz. Everything is beautiful, but mikar din. The din is a pirurim bottle. If you have crumbs on the floor that no one's going to eat, so that's a gemara says pirurim bottle. You don't have to. It says Shulchan Aruch. You don't have to scrape the ceilings. You don't have to climb the walls. These are all chumetz. You have to look in the cabinets, make sure there's no chumetz. Look in the pockets of the coats and the jackets. Sometimes people leave candies there that are taka chametz stick. You have to look for real chametz. That's all, real chametz and real taruvas chametz. But crumbs you don't have to look for. Whatever is rubbed into the floor, we don't have to scrape the floors. If it's shonim kitikunim, if everybody's healthy, you should. If that's your minig, so scrape the floors. All the minhagim are beautiful. But if the people are just exhausted and it's too much, so they don't have to make themselves crazy.
So
all look for real food. That's royal. Yeah.
Yeah. The vacuuming for crumbs, vacuuming in chairs, vacuuming in seats, vacuuming out the cars, all the vacuuming that's for pirurin, and it's less than a kazayas. It's something you don't see. Gemara says, I think it's on the Vava Medbeis, pirurin memelin is battle, right? So you're saying for that, ikar din you don't have to do.
Right. If it's too much, if a person feels too much, you shouldn't do it. Okay.